Yes. Please check your device, ma'am. Shows your name. Sorry. Okay. So, children, are you all ready for the math session? Are you all ready for the math session? I just want to give you thumbs ups. Are you all ready? Yes. Wow. Very good. Teja, Krisha. Yes. Lohit. Krisha. I'm getting so many thumbs up. So, super. Very good, children. Yes. So, first, in our class, we are going to look amazing facts. Amazing facts. Are you all ready? Yes, amazing facts to blow your mind. Yes. The first fact we are going to know is that about the dice. You all know what is dice? Give you the wow, super stylish. You all know about the dice? What is the dice? We used to play with the dice for snake and ladder. We all done last year? Yes. Snake and ladder. We can use the dice to play snake and ladder. Yes? Yes. So about the fact is, about the dice is, the number on opposite faces of your dice always adds up to 7. So what is about? See, the opposite sides of the dice will always 7. If you add both the sides, opposite sides, you will get total 7. Try it out at home. Okay, so next class I will ask. If you don't get that, let me know. Got it? Yes? Yes? Give your answers in the chat box and thumbs ups. Want it? Wow, business game and all you will play. Okay, superb. Okay, now the next fact is about the number name. Okay, 40 is the only number which has letters arranged in alphabetical order. You know that you check all the spellings which whatever you know. Only the 40 spelling was arranged in the alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? A to Z. A to Z. Okay? F-O-R-T. Well, look at here. A, B, C, D, E after F. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, then O, P, Q, R, then S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and then Z. Yes? So the 40 is the only number which has letters arranged in alphabetical order. Children, you all should check. You should take it in your mind and ask your parents, ask your siblings, ask your friends, okay? As a puzzle, okay? Yes. Now the next one is about even and odd. You know, every odd number. What is odd number? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and ends with the same number. All are odd numbers. Yes or no? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All these numbers are odd number and ends with the same 1, 3, 5, 7. Ends with the same numbers. Also are odd numbers. Okay? Every odd number has E in it. Every odd number has E in it. Is it true? Here the one has missed. The one also has E in it. Yes or no? Every odd number has E in it. Yes? Amazing, right? Have you all enjoyed this? Ma'am, did my voice is low? Girija ma'am?
It's clear.
Did my voice is low?
It's clear only, ma'am. A little bit low. Now it is okay. No, ma'am, it's clear. Due to the network, it may be low, but it is audible. Clear and audible.
Okay, ma'am. So will you all ask this puzzles to your friends? Yes? Have you all enjoyed this facts? Let's get into the next thing. What is the next we are going to look? Do you have any plan? Yeah, okay, thank you. Ma'am, please check your devices, those who are having low voice, ma'am. I'm speaking much louder. Sorry. Okay. So now we are
Yes, ma'am.
going to look at story. Are you all ready for it, children? Are you all ready for it? We are going to look at story. Give your thumbs up. Everybody sits right. Some of them are not sitting straight. Some of them are not sitting straight. Sit straight. Yes. Okay. Think yourself you are going for the shop. Okay. This person is you. This person is you. Like Breezy, Stylish, whomever giving the thumbs up, yes. Varsha, this you. Okay. Think yourself. You are going for a shop. Where you are going? You are going for a shop. Yes. What shop you are going? What shop you are going? Going to the bakery shop. You all know what is bakery shop? Baking the things. Yes? Baking the things. What bake they will do? Breads, buns, chocolates, cakes. Okay, so you are going to the shop.
Rubini ma'am, little bit louder, please.
Ma'am, I'm too louder, ma'am. 1 second. Change the device. 1 second.
Yeah.
Second.
1 second, parents, please wait. Okay. Ma'am is sharing the device and she's telling you, yeah, nice story,
Ma'am,
okay?
can you now?
Everyone. Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it's very clear now. Yes, thank
your
you.
voice,
Okay.
ma'am.
1 second, 1 second. I will share
Parents, please
again. I
wait.
will share again. Okay. So, children, could you hear now? Yes. So, what we are going to do, we are going to look a story. Are you all ready for it? Yes? Okay. Now, you are all think yourself, you are going for a shop. You are going for a bakery shop. What is bakery shop? You all love to have the buns, cakes, breads. Yes, that is a bakery shop where the baking will happen. Okay, bakery shops. And there you are going to buy. What you are going to buy? You are going to buy a chocolate. Okay. So, how many chocolates you bought? 5 boxes of chocolate. How much you bought? 5. Yes, very good, children. 5 boxes of chocolate. And then you again think of it. Again think of it. You feel it is not enough for your celebration. So what you do? You will buy some more. You will buy some more. How many again? 5 more boxes. How many again? 5 more boxes of chocolate. Now, think and tell me. Now, think and give your answers. How many boxes of chocolate will you have? Wow, super. I'm getting so many answers. Very good, very good. I'm getting so many answers. Yes, Vidya ma'am, could you call a person, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Um, I want 1 minute. I want Janani C of 2D. Are you there, Janani? Yes, Kana. How are you? Happy morning.
Happy
morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Okay.
Yes. Now answer the question, Kanna.
Yes, thank you, Vidya ma'am. Janani,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
how many chocolates will you have now?
5, ma'am.
See, first you bought 5 boxes, and then you think it's not enough. It might, uh, it might less. So you just buy some more, 5 more chocolates. So 5 and 5. So totally, how many boxes of chocolates will you have at the end?
10, ma'am.
Wow, super Janani, very good. Now tell me what you have done to get the answer.
5, ma'am.
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5, ma'am.
Wow, super. But Janani, you have to give your answer. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay.
Now tell me what's make you to add. See, plus means what?
Plus means what?
It means
What is
add,
plus?
ma'am.
Add. Wow, very good. Yes. What's make you to do add? Why you have did add? Why you did addition?
சொல்லு.
Okay, thank you, Janani. Super. You gave a wonderful answer. Correct answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So, children, where we are in? We are in the chapter that is addition. We are in the chapter that is addition. What the Janani has done? I told 5 boxes and then 5 boxes. So Janani did 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Yes or no? This is how the Janani got the answer. But what makes the Janani to give the answer 10? The boy first bought 5. The boy next bought 5 more. 5 more. That more word. And I asked what you have totally at the end. So these are the words which makes you to do addition. Which makes you to do addition. So these are the keywords. Keywords means other words. Okay? Other words. So what are the other words of addition? Let us look. Okay? Examples are total. Total. Everyone should repeat after mom. Okay? Okay, children? Total. Total. Join. Join. Together. Together. Add. Add. Plus. Plus. And this is the sign of the plus. Sum. Sum. Both. Both. Combined. Combined. How many in all? Repeat. How many in all? Increase. Increase. All together. All together. And this is also these are the some keywords of addition. These are the some keywords of addition. Children, you are all grown up to grade 2. Yes, you all came to grade 2. Yes, you should know how to read, how to know the key terms. What's make you to do. Okay, now we are going to learn some terms. Okay. addition terms. We are growing up, no? So we should use the proper words for the addition. Okay, that is the terms, proper terms. Okay. See, now here the two numbers are given. Yes, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. This 3 plus 8 is
And
sorry,
3 plus
3
5.
plus 5. Sorry. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. This 3 and 5 is equal to 8. Yes? These two numbers, what we are adding, listen carefully children, these two numbers, what we are adding, that is called as addend. Repeat after ma'am, loudly, addend. Addend, some of them are not opening your eyes, I could hear. Yes, everyone say addend. What is that called as? Addend, the number, what we are adding together, that is called as addend. Okay? Okay, what we are getting the answer is called as sum. How we have to say? Sum. These two is addend. Okay. These two is addend. This is sum. This is sum. And the sign of the sum is, the sign of the addition is plus. The sign of the addition is plus, which means the symbol plus means we have to do addition. If the symbol is plus, then what we have to do? We have to do addition. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Over to Vidya Lakshmi.
No,
Yes, thank you,
No,
children.
ma'am.
Kindly mute. Kindly mute. Over to Vidya ma'am. Vidya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Children, now you know how to do the addition. Yes? What are the other words of addition? What are the terms? What are the proper words we use in the addition? Yes? Now, we are going to do the addition with abacus. Right? The spike abacus. Yes. Now, in the picture ma'am has shown you, right? Abacus A and abacus B are there. Yes? The pink color beads represent ones and the green color beads represent tens. Yes? Okay. 1 minute. Now, we are going to add all the pink numbers. Okay? First, we will find what is the number for the first abacus. Abacus A. Okay? How many ones beads are there? I want a Madhusri. Madhusri of 2D. Are you there, Kana? Madhusri? Are you there? Madhusri, yes, of 2D.
Ma'am, Shayan.
Yes? Madhusri. Madhusri, are you there? Okay, I will call John.
Ma'am, Shayan, ma'am.
No, Shreyan. I will give you the chance next time. Okay? Thank you. Janavika from 2E. Janavika, are you there, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janavika. Janavika, now count the pink beads and tell me how many it is. Okay?
1, 2,
1.
3, 4, 5.
In the first abacus, how many beads is there? How many beads here?
1.
1. Okay, very good. How many? Yes. Now tell me how many green beads here?
3.
3. Very good. Yes, 3. Now count the pink beads of abacus B, the second abacus. How many pink beads are there?
5.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Green beads. How many green beads are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Yes, very good. 5. So what is the number here? What is the number? The first abacus.
5, 5.
Okay, this 1 minute. This 3, 1, right? So what number it is? How you read that number? Yes, once again. Very good. 31. Super. So likewise in the second abacus, what is the number you get here? 5, 5 means?
5, 5, 55.
Very good. 5, 5, 55. Yes. So 55 is the abacus. The second abacus represent and the first abacus represent 31. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to do the addition. Yes. Now count and tell me altogether the pink color. Pink color.
6.
Yes. Yes. 6. 1 here and 5 here. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 6. Harshika, don't touch your screen, Kana. Now count the green beads and tell me how many green beads are there? Tens, please. How many tens? Janavika?
8.
8. Okay, shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 8. So what is the number you get here? Very good, Kana. What is the number you get here?
86. 86.
86. Okay, super. How many tens are there in 86?
8.
Very good. How many ones are there?
6.
Very good, Kana. Super. Thank you so much, Kana. Go on mute. We will check your answer, okay? Yes, very good. So many answers in this. Yes, no, so many answers in the chart also. Very good, dear. Super. Yes, ma'am. Robini, ma'am. Yes. See, what you have done is correct. Yes, what we all done is correct. 31 is the first abacus number and the abacus 2 represents 55. The sum of total abacus, both the abacus is 86. Very good, Kana. Super. Yes? Is there any doubt in this adding with the beads? Is there any doubt in adding with the beads?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Thank you. Thank you. Go on mute, ma. Now, we will do the addition with blocks. Okay? 2 digits block. Yes, I want a Kamakshi. Kamakshi of 2E. Unmute yourself, Kana. Are you there? Kamakshi? Kamakshi M of 2E. Are you there, Kana?
Yes, ma'am.
Make it fast, dear. Yes. Yes, very good, Kana. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes. Now we are going to do the addition with the blocks. Okay. You know the blocks, right? Yes. Okay. Now tell me how many ones blocks are there here. How many it is?
2. First.
2. Very good. How many tens here?
10. 20.
Very good. Tens, 20. So how many? 2 tens are there. That makes 20. Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Like this, how many ones are there in the second? Here, how many ones are there? Count it.
4.
4. Very good. 4. Yes. How many ones are here?
10.
10. 10 means what number I have to write in tens? Super. Correct. 10 means I have to write 1, right? 2 tens means 20. 20 means 2 I have to write. If it is 10, only 1 10 is there. How many 10 is there? Only 1 10. So I have to put 1. Yes? Okay. Now tell me how many totally ones are there? Altogether, join together the blocks and tell. Count and tell. 1, 2, then
4.
Amakshi.
24.
4. 24. Okay, I will help you. Okay. See, I have to count this once in the first number. 1, 2. Then 2 after. What number will come? 2 after.
4.
2 after 3 or 4. What will come? 1, 2. Then Jagan, wait, don't touch the screen, Kanna. Man. Yes. See, 1, 2, then 3, right? You have to count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, like that. 3 after?
6. 4. 2.
4,
2.
5, 6. Very good. So, 6 ones are there, right? Now, tell me together. 1, 2, then
3.
3. So, how many tens are there? 3 tens. Yes? Very good. What is the number? What is the
30.
number?
36.
Very good. Superb, dear. 36. Shall we check our answer now? See? Your answer is correct.
Okay.
Very good, Kamakshi. So many answers in the start also. Very good. Thank you so much. Children, this is how you have to add the blocks. Is there any doubt in adding the blocks for 2 digit? Yes? No doubts. Very good. Very good, Kanna. Now we are going to do the addition with 3
Mama.
digits using blocks. Okay, dear. Thank you. I will call Ranganathan. Ranganathan up to S to do this addition. Ranganathan, are you there, Kanna? Ranganathan?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, how are you? Had your breakfast?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, Kanna. Now, you are going to count the beads. Okay? Count the beads and tell me. Yes? Okay, we will check our answer. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Kanna. See, this yellow color represents ones, right? Yellow color represents ones, and the green color represents tens.
One, two, three.
Yes, very good. How many ones are there? How many ones are there, Kanna? Here, how many ones are there?
One.
1. Very good. How many tens are there?
3.
3. Very good. How many hundreds are there? Red color beads?
2.
2. Very good. Very good. One minute. I will write. So what is the number? How you read this number? Ranganathan. What is the number we get, Ma? How you read this?
231.
Yes, 231 is the number. How you read that number with respect to the place value? 3-1 means what?
1
What is this number?
once.
No, 2 digit I had written here, right? Well, how you read this number? What do you call that number?
E 31.
Very good, 31, right? Now here 2 I had written. So what number it is? In hundreds, 2 is there. Hmm.
235.
230? Very good, 231. So, yes, very good, Kana. Super. Now look at the second abacus.
1
How many ones are there?
3, 4, 5.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Yes. How many tens are there?
1.
How many red color beads, hundreds are there?
2.
Yes. So what is the number we got here? How we have to read it?
215.
215. Yes. What is the number? What is the number you have to see?
15.
Very good, Kanna. Super. 215. Yes. Super. Now we have to count all the ones together. Okay. Yes. Tell me now. Here one. Here one once is there, and here 5 ones is there, right? So 1 after count and say 2.
1, 2, 3,
1.
4, 5, 6.
Oh, yes, very good. So 6 beads we have to put here, right? The ones. Yes, very good. Now tell me how. Now check the tens place.
10.
Add it.
1,
Yes. 1.
3.
Yes, 1. 2, 3. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Yes. 4.
4.
Is there any more beads in tens? No, right?
100.
Now check here. Next hundreds, right? So 4 beads are there. Very good. Now count the hundreds, Kanna.
1, 2.
Yes, very good. 1, 2. Here 1, 2 then.
1,
How many
2,
beads?
3.
3.
1, 2, 4. 1, 2,
4. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So what is the number we get here? Very good. What is the number we get here?
4, 6.
How to read that number? 446 means how to read that number?
406.
446.
446.
Very good, Kanna. 446. Very good. Very good. Super. Yes, star for you. Ma'am is giving you the star. Yes. Stars for everyone who had
Thank
answered
you.
correctly in the chat also. Thank you, Kanna. Thank you. Go on mute. Now, the same way, we are going to do the addition with the 3-digit blocks. Okay, 3-digit blocks. I want a Sai Krishnan. Sai Krishnan, are you there? Unmute yourself, ma.
Vidya ma'am, sorry to disturb you. 5 more minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sai Krishnan, kindly tell me. Now, we will count the ones, okay? You know how to count, right? Now, count the ones and tell me how many ones are there?
2.
2 here. Yes. Very good. In the next digit, in here, how many ones are there? 4. So, yes, very good. 4. So, all together, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 2 after?
After
1.
3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6.
Very good. 6. Yes. Super. Now count the tens here. How many tens are there?
1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. Very good. 7. Then how many tens are there here?
1.
1. Yes. Very good. So now tell me in total. Here 7 is there and here 1 is there. So in total 7 after 1. 7 after 1 means here 7. 7 after 7 after 1. What is that? After 7, what will come, Kanna?
8, ma'am.
8. So 7 after 1, if you add, you will get 8. Yes? Very good.
Yes.
Now coming to the tens place, hundreds place value. How many hundreds are here?
1,
Yes, 1. Very good. In the next,
3, 4.
the next number? Here 3, right? Yes.
Yes.
So 1 after 2, 3, 4. Yes? Very good, very good. So what is the number you get for the first block? What is this number?
Repeat again, ma'am.
What is that number, Kanna?
3.
No, I had circled you, right? 1 minute. Circle it
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
What is this number?
172. 172.
Very good. Very good. What is the second addend?
400 and 314.
Very good. 314. Very good. What is the sum? What is the answer we get here? What is the answer? What is the sum we get here? Very good, Kanna. Very good. Yes, very good. Very good. Star for you and star for those who had answers in the chat. Very good. Now we will check our answer also. Okay? Yes. Thank you, Kanna. Yes. See? 486. So 4 hundreds we have to draw, 8 tens we have to draw, and 6 ones we have to draw like this. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Now we are going to do one activity. Okay? I will explain you. You have to do and take a photo and put in the Google Classroom. Yes? See? You help your mothers, right? You will help your mother while drying the cloth in the cloth line. Yes? Ma'am will, your mother will have hanger and this cloth pins. Yes? In your home. Yes. So you have to take a hanger like this. Yes. Yes, Krish.
Paper we can take, ma'am.
What, Kanna?
A4 sheet we can take this activity. Ma'am, what?
Yes, you can take a A4 sheet. I will explain. I will tell you. I will tell you. Just take a hanger, okay, and a paper. In the paper, just draw the plus sign as shown in this figure and paste it in and place it in between the center of the hanger. Okay, like how placed in the picture.
Don't
You have to place it there, the center.
Ma'am,
Then-
don't have colored with ma'am.
No worries. Whatever you have, some have silver playthings.
Or one activity, ma'am.
You have to do both the activities. You can do slowly and post it in the math class.
Oh, wow. R1? Ma'am,
Yes. Okay. Then, Kanna, you have to take one number in your left side. Okay, first number in the left side. I have taken 7 in the left. In the right, I have taken 5. So 7 plus 5. Altogether, count the cloth pins and write it in the paper. Write in the paper like how ma'am has written for you. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. You can take any number. This is an example. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, Kanna. Yes. In the second one, the second activity, you have to trace your palm. You are having palm, right? Trace both your hands. Yes? And cut it out like how the green color is shown. Like your hands, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Apply glue or gum to the palm alone and stick it in the A4 sheet paper. Okay?
Okay.
This,
Okay, ma'am.
like in the figure.
Then cut down the activity right the one right now. Down the step right in right there. 1, 2, 3. We can down
Yes.
right there.
Yes, Krish. Okay, Krish.
Mom, let the teacher explain. Kindly mute everyone.
Wait. Krish, wait. I will tell you. You are going to write that in the hands. You have to show the combination of the numbers which gives you the sum of 10. Okay. 1. If you fold one finger in the palm, you have 10 fingers, right? What are all the numbers will make 10? That you are going to write. Kamakshi, please wait. Let me finish. That you have to explain. Okay. Fold one finger. See how many fingers are there in your hand. In that hand, straight. It will be 9. So 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Like that, fold 2 fingers now. Then count how many fingers are there in the hands. 8 fingers will be there. So 2 plus 8 will make 10. Like that, you are going to write the numbers where you will get the sum of 10. Yes, the sum should be only 10. Yes? Okay. Okay, Kanna. Thank you so much. Any doubts? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, children. Thank you,
Thank
Vidya
you,
ma'am.
children.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
Vidya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Vidya ma'am.
Thank you, Robini ma'am. Thank you,
You can
Vidya
end the
ma'am. Yes,
session,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.